Hello guys. Today I am having some cold, so maybe my voice is not proper. So sorry for your inconvenience caused. Hi, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java operators. So let's get started with Java operators. What is Java operator? Like first we will break down into Java and operators. Now let me explain you what is operator. Operators are used to perform operation on variables and values. Let's see the plus operator, like how it works. Okay, so x equal to 10 plus 50 means 150 and they are printing this value x. So 150 result came. See, if I have increased this thing, then 250 value should come. Let's see the result. So 250 like this plus operator works. Okay, see here. We will try some. This 150 will come. Now 150 plus 250 is 400. Now 400. Now this 150. Okay. Sum 2 and 2. Okay, sorry. 400 plus 400 equal to 800. See. So like this plus operator works. Like we can use this value also inside this, and we can use twice also this value like this, and then we can print. Now Java divides this operator into following groups. So first is arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison logic bitwise. So arithmetic operator plus we have shown, minus is there, multiply is there, divide is there, module is there, increment and decrement. Let's try. I have shown you addition. Let's try with subtraction. So value is 2. 5 minus 3. Here we are doing printing 5 minus 3 2. If we change this 10 and then this to 4, then 6 value should come. Let's see it is working correctly or not. See 6. So like this we can use. Now multiply. See 5 into 3 is 15. Like 3 into 3 9 should be there. Then we will run it and let's check. We are printing this x into y. So 9. So like this we can use divide also. We can use divide sign is there. 12 divide by 3, so 4. See it is printing 4. Now module. Now 5 module 2 means what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 1. Okay, like I am doing this. Then what should be remainder? 0. See, 2 divided by 2 0. Okay, now I am doing 4 divided by 2. 2 should come. Let's see. Wait, 0. Okay, it's divided now. Remainder is 0. Okay, now we can do 8 also. I'm using that 2's table, so all remainder should be 0. Fully divisible by 8. 2 is fully divisible by 8. So okay, now increment and decrement. Increment here 5. Now first of all we are plussing, so 1 plus x equal to 6. Okay, now value 6 will come. Like you can give 80. Okay, then 81. It is incremented by 1. Okay, plus plus operator. Okay, and now we will use this decrement. Okay, now value is 4. If we do 81, then value will 80. It will reduce by 1 minus minus x. You can give here also. No need to, like I have commented, and minus minus I have done here. And now same value will be printed. Okay, see. So see, decrease the value of a variable by 1, increase the value variable by 1. Okay, and this is module sim reminder. Okay, so Java assignment means equal to. Okay, I used to assign value to variable equal to is that sign. X value is equal to 10. This is the assignment operator. Okay, let's try this one. So now what is the int x value is 10. Now 10 plus equal to 5. So means 10 plus 5 equal to 15. So 15 should be printed. Okay, we are assigning 5 plus x here. Okay, and then printing the value of x. So x value is printed. Okay, these are also, you can try also equal to, plus is shown. See, like how we write it. X equal to x plus 3, x is equal to x minus 3, x equal to, but we have to like we write like this. Okay, you can write like this also, but its meaning is like this only. Okay, remainder and or, this we called it as and, this we call it as or. Okay, less than is one, exponential. Okay, so you can go through it, try using this try button, you can go through it. Java comparison also, this is smaller or this is higher, this you can use. Okay, equal, this value are equal or not equal, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. If you want to try equal, let's try. It's not equal. Okay, false. If we do not equal to, then it should be true. Okay, see, true values coming. So 2 we have covered, less than, greater than. So this is x is greater than, true is coming. If we sign we will change, then it will come false. See, now equal to also you want to check now. So this is less than equal to y, this is false. If we do greater than, now it's coming true. So you can put equal to also, and then you can run. See, true is coming. So all these signs we have checked. Now logically, okay, this is logical and logical or and logical not. This all we will try. X is 5. Okay, and this 5, and this 5 is less than 10. Correct. 5 is greater than 3. Correct. So this is correct. So true. This we will try. 5 is greater than 3. True. 5 is less than 4. This is false. Okay. So, but or is the condition, so true value will return. If any one condition is true, then it will return true. Okay. Not also we will try. Not here we have put, okay, this explanation mark. Okay. So this is true. 5. Yeah. Oh, sorry. 5 is greater than 3. And 5 is yeah, less than 10. This condition is true, but we have put false, means not. Then this condition converts to false. Okay, then output will be the reverse of this condition. Okay, so you got it. We will do multiply 10, multiply, and we can put submit answer, and you can see correct. Okay, now I have left some, these I have left out. Okay, this I have shown, this I have shown, now this minus. So x equal to, it means x equal to x minus 3. So x minus 5 minus 3, 2. So see, two values are. Okay, now Next one, multiply. You will do immediately x equal to x into 3. So 15 should be there. 5 into 3, 15. Okay. Now we will divide. So this is x equal to x divided by 3. So this value will come. Okay. Let me change some value. Let me do 6. Okay. Sorry. This I have to remove. 3, 2 is up. Double is there. So dot is coming. Okay. The divide also. Remainder we will do. So 2 is coming. When we divide by 3, see, when 5 is divided by 3, so 3 we will write in like this. We can write now. So when we divide x equal to like 5 divided by 3, then 3 1 ja 3, 3 we will do. Then 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 2 will be the remainder, so 2 is the output. Okay, now we do and so wait, what it has shown you, this and this is, or this is the exponent. First we will try on this comparison. 5. Now I will be explaining you what are these operators, then you will get to know. Let me close all the others. Okay, so this you, how you will check na, operator in Java. Okay. Using that symbol also we put right. So this is right shift operator. Okay, represent by the symbol slash means double greater than. When you write x and then right shift, and this means a shift the byte of x towards the right. Okay, so this you can use Java. This we will open and then we will go to operators. Yeah, right shift and this is left shift. See, now this value equal to, this is right shift, then 3. Okay, then 5 is right shift to 3, then means is equal to 40. And now we can see also left shift. Wait, let me reverse the sign. Okay, and run it. See, 0 is coming. Okay, so like this we can use, sorry, equal to, I put, okay, so this is done, exponent. So x equal to x exponent 3. Okay, so wait, we will run. Okay, 6 is coming. So this is how to use exponent. And an or is there, so you can use this also. Try it. So today we have covered this operators in Java. So you can go through it. W3 School Java. Okay. As the link mentioned, you can use this link and go through it. If you have any question, please comment. And please do subscribe and like my video if you like it. And please do share the video. Thank you. Bye bye.